Hey, this is Draga from the Card Fight Club, and in this video I'll be bringing you guys my Chaos Breaker Dragon deck profile. So, yep, this deck is pretty strong. Like it's already strong by its own, right? And this is really good against reverse deck because you basically when your opponent use reverse decks, right? They gain minuses. Like in fact, you gain pluses. So yeah, so let's start. I'm playing 4 what's this? Chaos Breaker Dragon, Star Vader Chaos Breaker Dragon. His ability is once a unit on your opponent's field is unlocked, you can Soul Blast 1, retire that unit, and you draw a card. And his second ability is the Lock ability. Once he's on the Vanguard, you can Counter Blast 1 and discard a card with Star Vader in the name. And choose one unit on your opponent's field and lock it. So it could be in the front row, it could be on the back row, whichever you want. So yeah, really good. Because you can lock the unit after you retire it, you get a plus. So yeah, really good card, I would say. So he's like the draw engine for Link Joker, and I really like him over Nebula Lord. So yeah, let's go to the side. And 4 Infinite Zero Dragon. Yes, for him, his ability is the Break Right, and his ability is that Break Right. Once a Great 3 rides on him, the new Vanguard gains plus 10,000 power, and you can choose one opponent's front row and one opponent's back row, lock it. So yeah, so one unit of each row. So really good card. So yeah, those are my 8 Grade 3s. For my Grade 2s, I'll be running 3 Mobius Breath Dragon. I like Mobius Breath Dragon because I like him in my deck because he gives you a free lock once his attack hits. Plus you can lock anything, so you can lock their not their Vanguard, you can lock any front row back row units, so it's really good. Once he's on the Vanguard, once he attacks and the attack hits, choose your opponent's unit and lock it. So Mobius Breath Dragon, really good card, like on the Vanguard. But if you guys are thinking, if you ignore him as turn 2 on the Vanguard, he will be dead as a rearguard, right? No, you do not need to use him as a rearguard. You could use his ability to Counter Blast 1, discard this unit, because this is a Star Vader unit, discard this unit, and lock a unit. So, yeah, really good. You gotta, like, really work around this deck. Like, you really must know how to, you know, get your pieces out and stuff. So, 3 Mobius Breath Dragon. 4, what's this? Star Vader, it's Colony Maker. Yeah. Yeah, her ability is once you play her as a rearguard, if your opponent has a lot of unit in the field, you can Counter Blast 1 and Superior Call 1 unit which is a Grade 1 or lower, one Grade 1 or lower unit from the deck to the rearguard. Yep. And plus it could be anywhere, so yeah, you do have to specifically call it behind her. So yeah, she's really good. Like, once you get her, right, you don't have to like always use her. It's like I play 4 just in case I want to set up my rows and stuff, so it's really good. And 4 Randons, Star Vader Randons. Yeah, his ability is once he's in a Vanguard, once he attacks opponent's Vanguard, you control a Vanguard with a Star Vader in the name. He gains plus 3,000 power. For my Grade 1s, I'll be playing 4 Star Vader Pendulum. Yeah, his ability is once an opponent's unit is unlocked, Counter Blast 1, Soul Charge him and relock the unit. So it's really good because he helps you to build up the soul for Chaos Breaker Dragon Soul Blast. So it's really good. I like him. 3 Chaos Beat Dragons. I like him because he's the personal booster for the deck. Like, if this unit boosts a unit named Chaos Breaker Dragon, and if your opponent has a lock unit on his or her field, this unit gains like 5,000. So it's really good. You can even have Chaos Breaker Dragon as a rearguard booster. Hits for 22, and it's really good. One time I was like that, and like my 3 Chaos Breaker Dragons in the front, and it really caused them to like guard and stuff. So, because this actually happened before, like in one of my games with my friends. So yeah, I like Chaos Breaker Dragon. And plus, you must have like a unit on the field, so you can use Pendulum to relock the units. And if you're like tired of that unit, you can use Chaos Breaker Dragon to snipe it out. Three Star Vader Latanium, yeah. His ability is once he's in the rear guard, during your turn, for each slot unit on your opponent's field, this unit gains plus 2000. So really good if you use your own units to lock your opponent's units. Like if you write Infinite Zero Dragon on top, like you break right, lock 2 units, so this unit becomes an 11k booster, which is really good. But other than that, he's just 7k, which is, you know, okay, I guess. So yeah, it's pretty good. And 4 Perfect Guards. Perfect Guards are staple. Nothing to say, I mean like staple. Yeah, for my starter, I would run Duster Unicorn. Last one, move to so if your opponent has a lock unit on his or her field, you can choose one unit in your opponent's field and lock it. Yep, triggers is 8 crits, 4 draws, and 4 heals. You don't want to run more than like 4 draws, because it's like you deck out really fast. Because you already have Chaos Breaker Dragon to draw you tons and tons of cards. So yeah, that's my deck, and it's a pretty short deck profile. But I hope you guys, you know, learned something. If you guys want a more detailed explanation of this deck, yep, do check out my channel. Yep, Drakov91. I'll, you know, give you tons of stuff for the deck, like, cause this deck is like pretty much a deck check video. So yeah, to let you guys know like what I'm playing and stuff. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, do comment down below and I'll answer to them as soon as I can. So yeah, that's my deck profile. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and peace out.